Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're making Dynamite popcorn. So I'm taking a bag of cheese popcorn and a bag of microwave popcorn. Gonna mix it all up. Gonna drizzle some half a cup of melted butter, or 1 stick of butter. 1/4 cup of furikake, and you want the furikake to stick, so we put it in. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Hing Mui Powder. Mix everything up, and there you have it. This is Dynamite popcorn. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have more suggestions, let me know. Mahalo. Gotta taste some. Really good. That Hing Mui powder really gives it a kick.